time, Salonga did not allow. We are ready. We're going to walk him out. Right outside the gate. He's sorry. Respect the institution. This is not about Jinggoy. We're going out. No, don't read him his rights here. He can be arrested right there. So if you don't want him to make a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're going to walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. Ang kalaban si Cory. Ang kaso rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out. Let's walk. Let's walk. You arrest him here. You can arrest him right now. Sir! You can arrest him. This is the Senate. This is the Senate. Sir, this is the Senate. Not for me. No, I did not. That's not for me. That's for the Senate, sir. Sir, that's for the Senate. For the country. Sir, pumahay ka na kanina. Pumahay ka na right outside the door. Right outside the door. No handcuffs.
Sir, you have a warrant of arrest issued by Panjikan Bayan 5th Division, criminal case number E-SB 26-TRM-006 for the crime of plunder under Republic Act 78 as amended. Signed by Honorable Zaldi B. Trespeses, Chairperson of Associate. Sir, being accused, you have also rights. May karapatan ka manahimik at magsawalang kibo. Ano man ang iyong sabihin ay maaaring gamitin pabor o laban sa iyo sa kanyang mga hukuman. May karapatan na ka rin kumuha ng sarili ng abogado o tagapagtanggol nang naayon sa iyong nakit. Kung walang kakayahan, ang pamahalaan at pagkakaluban ka nito ng isa. Lahat po ba ng mga karapatan niyo sa rin na unawaan?
Kabila mo. Kabante mo. Nakabila ka ng
Elevator, yung ano lang arresting ko ano lang.
Baba, takbo baba.